Hello, I'm Carl from ProfileTree, and in this video, we're going to talk about how AI coding tools are exploding, letting marketers build custom automations without a full dev team. So today, I'm going to unpack the top three, like Amazon Q Developer and GitHub Copilot, that slash dev time by 70%, and how ProfileTree is turning them into client wins. So stick around, you'll leave ready to supercharge your campaigns. Nowadays, you can just forget waiting weeks for developers. 2026's AI tools handle autonomous planning, code generation, testing, and even documentation, which is perfect for marketers needing quick personalization engines or chatbots. Python remains king, with its libraries powering 60% of marketing apps, now turbocharged by AI type checkers for error-free scripts. But here's the catch. Without expert integration, these tools create silos or compliance risks. That's where we at ProfileTree come in. We've developed them for many of our clients, boosting ROI by 40% through seamless, secure setups. So let's talk about the tools. Leading the pack is Amazon Q Developer. Now, AWS's powerhouse is now at version 3.2. It doesn't just auto-complete, it reasons through full workflows, like auto-building A/B test frameworks from natural language prompts. Like this: create a Python script scoring leads by engagement data. Now, in multiple tests, it cut development from days to hours, with built-in security scans for GDPR compliance. For marketers, this means custom dashboards predicting campaign lift without the $50K dev bill. We use these tools so we handle the heavy lifting and we can focus on your strategy. Next, we have GitHub Copilot Workspace, Microsoft's evolution beyond the basic Copilot. So this month, its agentic updates enable end-to-end project orchestration, which plan a multi-channel attribution model, generate Django code, run tests, and deploy to Vercel, all in one seamless flow. Marketers love it for social analytics bots, and that pulls real-time TikTok metrics into Google Sheets. We've seen a ton of reduction and bug fixes in client projects, and that's the edge that we have. ProfileTree pairs it with our audit process, ensuring that our customer tools scale across teams without tech debt, saving you thousands in rework. Rounding out the top three, we have GitLab Duo, of course, which has been the enterprise favorite for collaborative dev work. In 2026, Chat 2.0 excels at marketing-specific tasks, like generating SEO-optimized content pipelines in Rust for speed. Duo autonomously refactors legacy scripts, which is ideal if you're migrating old CRMs. And for our clients, it's gold for building predictive lead gen models that integrate with HubSpot, driving 30% more qualified traffic. We know how to handle this and we strongly recommend it. We implement, monitor, and optimize for your stack. So please do get in contact with us so we can help you. Now, these tools are powerful, but raw power without strategy flops. Think insecure code exposing data or tools that don't sync with your CRM. We bridge the gap. Our AI dev team custom builds for your needs, from chatbot funnels to automated ad optimizers, all while hitting compliance measures in accordance with our local and global standards. So, if you're ready to code smarter and not harder, smash like if this sparked ideas, subscribe to ProfileTree for weekly 2026 updates, and comment AI code me below. Reach out to us by clicking on our website link in the description below, and we'll map these to your business today. Visit profiletree.com, follow us on our socials, and let's build your edge. This has been Carl for ProfileTree, and don't forget to innovate boldly.